Champions keep playing until they get it right. Billie Jean King. My friends, we see stocks and gold are up for the day. Bonds and Bitcoin are down. Let's jump first, as we always do, into the S&P 500. Have a nice big green up candle for the week. You can see the first day of the latest 2-day candle is a nice big green up candle. We're about halfway up there in volume. And as we look at where we are on the half-day chart, you can see the volume was not up to average in the morning and afternoon. In afternoon, about where things were in the morning. That's where most of the up movement, if not really all of it, was. But as we look, again, up 0.56%, not a big up day, but a decent candle so far for the week. All that volume last week, we'll see where the volume gets to this week, if indeed this is going to continue to push itself through on this shortened trading week. Just 4 days here in the States because of the Martin Luther King holiday. So we will keep our eye on things, but it looks like, as we said yesterday, stocks sure treated the Trump win quite well. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ 100, up 1.28%. And again, nice green up candle after 3 down candles. Heavy volume last week. Volume okay this week. Again, we'll see how it matches on average. First day of the latest 2-day candle. Nice up candle there. And again, like the S&P, in fact, it backed off a little bit in the afternoon. More exuberance in the morning on Wednesday. A little less, it looks like, from these Heikin-Ashi candlesticks in the afternoon. But again, stocks rebounding. We can look here and see where the prior high was. We're up close to that already after those 3 weeks of pulling back some. That's where we are with stocks. What about bonds? They were up yesterday. In fact, they started going up strongly since Wednesday, the 15th of January. And this is the first pullback. Not a huge pullback, but it is a pullback. Not a lot of volume there to back up that pullback. But we do have a green up candle. Again, lots of volume last week. We'll see how the volume looks this week and if this is a move that we feel like we can trust when we get to the end of the week, taking a look at the volume. What's up with gold? Well, as we look at gold, it was up for the day 0.51%. We can see it was up in the morning, about the same in the afternoon, holding about the same level. Nice green up candle forming. Not a lot of volume there. Not a lot of volume in the afternoon in particular. Didn't even reach the average volume on the half-day chart in the morning. Keep an eye on gold. See if the volume's going to continue to accelerate up as price does. That helps us understand that price is being backed up by volume, not simply insiders trying to manipulate. And it's got a little ways to go before it hits that prior high that we saw in that week beginning the 28th of October. Lastly, we'll take a quick look at Bitcoin. Where is Bitcoin? Well, it was down for the day 1.76%. After many days of up movement, Bitcoin pulling back here. And again, big green up candle for the week. Of course, the highs in Bitcoin on our Bitcoin ETF was 122.63. We've gotten up to 121.39, so some exuberance there after 3 weeks. Well, 1 week of down movement in the last 3 weeks of spinning tops with increasing volatility, and then things just jamming up starting last Tuesday in the morning on the 14th of January. This is the first pullback we've seen. So we'll keep an eye on Bitcoin and see if that relentless drive is going to move forward. Look at the volume. Looks like we're probably going to reach average volume this week. So again, Bitcoin also moving in the right direction. That is where we are as we go into Thursday in this shortened trading week. We'll always love to hear from you. CW@chartingwealth.com. God bless, my friends. All the best from the whole team at Charting Wealth.